I will make a okay, so just to support the first video, my piping are correctly installed towards to the uh, toilet, and then let's go to the cleaning quality. As you can see, how do I even show this in video? It's still greasy. You know, when the baby bite this nipple, it has the saliva. Okay, and then the bottle for sure. I'm still feeling it. Okay, this the what I'm going to show about the cleaning uh, quality is very hard to show in the video. However, I can wash with our normal soap, and with the hand you can hear the sound maybe. I'm not sure. I will make this on a much more focused video. For now, I want to focus on the wattage and how I install the system. And I just slightly mentioned about the cleaning quality. I think for now that's it. I'm gonna report it again. So thank you very much.